Let's take it to the field.
We champions.
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 Let's take it to the field.
I come through like a freight train, about to push the line back. Only see the gold line, don't matter if your line stack, because I'm a soldier. You can see my face paint, know that I'ma get mine by knowing that the rest can't. Y'all looking scared, man, better call a timeout. I'm so fresh, everything I run a fly route, quicker than the wide out. Y'all playing games, better stay in your locker room and use it as a hideout. Man, come on. I'm all about the X's and O's. I'm trying to get a ring, not a Lexus and Rolls. Just know I won't fear none of y'all hardly. I'm the guy to motivate Vince Lombardi. Bring ruckus in your backfield like Dick Buckets. I'm telling you, your whole team suckers, and y'all can't touch us. Recognize shorty. Matter of fact, I'm tired of talking to you. Drop and give me 40.
We ready for 'em, let's get it on. 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 We ready for 'em, let's get it on.
Your quarterback red jersey might as well be pink. Everybody holding up signs saying he stink, and them grass stains won't come out the uniform. Hit you so hard, won't remember the day you was born. I can see your eyes and reach your mind in the same look. Every play you call, you think we reading out the same book. Think that I'm a jumper cause I got there so fast. Everything black when I hit you with the first blast. You can see my heart pump, number keep throbbing. Stopping 4th and 1 ain't the goal, it's not a problem. You never smell the grass of the end zone. I'm playing for destiny and about to send them home. Coach, put your hoodie on, I'm looking for the Gatorade. My legacy real bright, here's about a shade of gray. I came here to play today, and if you didn't, then you need to fall back like a fadeaway.
We ready for 'em, let's get it on. 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 We ready for 'em, let's get it on.
Look into my eyes, I don't understand giving up. Look into my eyes, I don't understand giving up. Look into my eyes, I don't understand giving up. Look into my eyes, I don't understand giving up. I'm going long, all you gotta do is throw it up. This fella you got on me know that I'ma show him up. He can back 10 yards, I'ma still blow by. I know that he your fastest, but to me a slow guy. He don't even know how I became a force. I grew up with the attitude to win the only choice. Losing men, losing too much. So I decided to put my whole life in front of me to get something to touch. Ain't a D in the world that can block that. Not that, y'all daydreaming, need to stop that. As the time tick down in the game, I'm a winner, y'all cliches sounding the same.
Ready for 'em,